everybody. Beautiful morning, and there is this gospel artist called Paul Clement and Bella Combo. Guys, this song is a hit. The song that sounds like Mungu amenifanyia nafasi. That song, guys, that song. First, that song still lifts up my spirit. When I listen to it, my mood changes, as in na feel tu nimechangamka, because God have given you a chance that you did not know you will have, a chance that you did not deserve. I'm going to listen to that song first, and then we will dance a little bit to it so that we can get into cleaning in our today's video. So in case you are new here, please subscribe, hit the subscription button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for being a subscriber to my channel. I really appreciate you, and I don't take you for granted. So guys, we are here, but my living room light is usually very poor, so just bear with me. We are going to work with it the way it is. So nifanyia nafasi mahali ambapo mimi sikustahili, amenipa nipa miliki, napa nizalie matunda. So guys, it is a beautiful morning, and as I told you guys, we are going to clean this living room together. Before cleaning the floor, I usually start by dusting every furniture in the living room. Like now, I was dusting the TV stand, and then after dusting the TV stand and the woofers, and then I'll go ahead and dust the chairs and the table, and that would be it. And finally, I will finish by wiping or dusting the mat, and then after that I usually clean the floor. So guys, stay along, and please consider subscribing to help grow my YouTube channel. For those who have subscribed or my new subscribers, thank you so much. I feel honored, I feel blessed, and may God bless you guys. I don't take you for granted. So thank you for joining my channel and being part of my YouTube family. I really, really, really appreciate you and I love you so, so much. Be blessed, guys. Hope you are enjoying this video. And in case you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, because guys, I have noticed that most of us do watch the video and you go away without subscribing. Please subscribe. It helps motivate me to keep on creating more videos. It keeps me motivated, guys. So please, your subscription motivates me and your like keeps me going. So guys, please do subscribe, and as you do so, please be blessed. Love you so much. Hope you enjoy this video. Now I'm cleaning the floors, and that will be it for the living room. So guys, later in the day, I had to go to this place. It is a kibanda, a shop where we get our groceries here at my place. So I had to go there, nikatishe mboga ya sapa, and that's what I did. But I did not find the woman who sells here. So I just went and I called her and ordered my things. So guys, this is the next day. I was going to see a dermatologist. So guys, my skin have been breaking out really bad. As in, I didn't know uso inaweza kukukosesha amani. So my face is really breaking out. So I had to come here to this dermatologist and prescribe dawa, because the ones he had given me earlier did not really work on my skin. I don't know why, but this is me going back there after 3 weeks of taking medication and applying. I'm really feeling disappointed at this time, because guys, I was here and this doctor had prescribed a certain medication for me and it did not work on me. So guys, here was me telling him about my frustration, and he was very relaxed. He was ready to listen to me, because guys, dermatologists are not cheap people. If you know, the skin is very expensive to treat. So guys, please take care of your skins. If any routine, morning routine, evening routine works out for your skin, please do so. Because after I cure my skin, I'm going to try certain routines that maybe will work on my skin. So guys, listen out on what I was talking about to the doctor.
Ukiweka hiyo, uso utakuja mzuri sana. Alafu uwe mbaya sana. Nasikia? Juu unaangalia nini?
Uso skin? Bado.
Ujaangalia. Leo una ugonjwa inaitwa nini? Steroid acne. Au acne. Pomade. Acne pomade ni acne ya kuletwa na dawa. Uende usome hii na uangalie.
Na
uende ujiangalie kwa kioo. Ujiangalie, you spend time. Utaona you are pretty. Umegundua hivyo?
Maana nimeanza
hata watu wanakuambia.
Hawaniambi?
Lakini unaona.
Mimi ndio najiona.
Hiyo ni kwa sababu hii dawa inaitwa steroid.
Juni, unaona nikitumia nakuwa zinaisha pimples, then nakuwa ni kama nimebleach, nakuwa mweupe, nimenyoroka vizuri.
Ndio. Sasa hiyo kunyoroka ni unanyoroka, sahau. Hiyo ni kunyoroka kwa dawa. Ndio ukisema hapana nitaendelea. Ukiendelea sana utawacha kunyoroka na uanze kuwa mbaya. Ile kitu ilikuwa inafanya uwe mzuri, sasa inakuharibu hata zaidi. Ukijaribu kuacha ndio. So guys, there is this medication called Sterodam. I have been using it, applying it at night only, and it would make my face look very smooth. Now the doctor was telling me to stop using it because I went there too because it had started bleaching my skin, which I did not want. So guys, this is me coming out from the doctor's office, and after being given medication, I was on my way out to go back home. Let's go guys, try this medication that he has given me and see if they will work on my skin. Okay, so if you're still watching my video, please support by subscribing. So guys, after coming from the dermatologist, I had to pass by this famous place of ice cream and yogurt and cakes in Thika town with my friend. We went there and we had some. That's how I spent my day. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. See you in my next video. Bye.